Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am, as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So Shiba Inu versus Bone, which cryptocurrency could fetch greater returns in 2023? That's a big question. We have talked about it, but here we finally get, the specific, points in regards to how they are different. So let's dive deep into it. The entire globe has been awaiting the launch of Shibarium. As the wait is getting longer, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has been yearning to witness some positive upswing with regard to the price of SHIB. Amidst this, Bone, a token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, was seen thriving. But why is Bone pocketing more gains than Shiba Inu? Shibarium, the layer 2 update that is on its way, is expected to increasingly employ the Bone token. While SHIB will certainly have some role to play, Bone will take the lead. Therefore, Bone might pocket more gains than Shiba Inu this year. After a good start to 2023, most coins in the market were once again spiraling. Bone, however, managed to steer away from this notion each time the SHIB network made a Shibarium-related announcement of the actual launch of Shibarium. Bone is expected to skyrocket. In addition to this, Bone has been getting listed on several platforms. This could also add to any potential surges. So, can Bone reclaim $2 anytime soon? Bone managed to rise to a high of 2.05 a couple of days ago, but the asset can retain itself over the $2 level. At press time, the asset was trading for $1.52 with a 0.41% daily drop. According to Bone's daily chart, the asset is struggling to move past $2 as it is acting as a prominent line of resistance, but the MACD indicator was in a bearish crossover. This further highlighted the possibility of the asset dipping to 0.74 or even 0.63, which have been significant lines of support. This notion could, however, reverse after the launch of Shibarium. Can SHIB pocket any gains from the launch of Shibarium? Shiba Inu has a pattern to Bone, but unlike Bone, SHIB has failed to pocket the same level of gains as its offspring. At press time, the meme coin was trading for 0.401106 with a 0.36% daily rise. Okay, so as seen in the above chart, SHIB has increased selling activity. The relative strength index indicator suggested that sellers were in the SHIB market. The RSI maker was even heading to the oversold zone. When both of these assets are compared, the chances of Bone surging was much more than SHIB. So guys, this is very interesting. I know a lot of people in this community got very excited a few days ago when we touched $2. So did I. The psychology definitely went up, morale went up, and we had a great feeling about what is to come. But there still stands the argument of can we go further than the other one, okay, that we hold. So many of us are holding Shiba Inu and Bone, but which one can actually fetch the greater returns? Now guys, you have to remember that a lot of the Bone holders, especially the ones that started watching my videos months ago, are sitting on profits already. We're talking triple, quadruple profits because they were buying in the 30 cents. So those that bought in the 30 cents are expected to have their Bone reach $100, okay, per token. And why could it reach that? Because when Shibarium comes out, the biggest development within the SHIB ecosystem that is about to come out very soon, we're going to have the beta and then the big thing that in return will trigger a massive spike in price for everything within the SHIB ecosystem, but specifically Bone, because it is directly related to the layer 2 solution Shibarium. And every single transaction on the Shibarium blockchain, they are going to require Bone as gas fee. So you can just imagine, Bone doesn't even have such a big supply. Okay, it's capped. Remember guys, we voted for it to be capped. We didn't want them to produce more of it. So at this point, it creates a very limited token. Now, all the investors, okay, new investors are going to be joining in, but also imagine all the projects that will want to build on Shibarium. All that good stuff will be happening you know, with Bone, and it's gonna have a direct effect on it. So everyone will require Bone because they're gonna be using Shibarium, and guess what you'll need for your gas fee? Bone. So you will need it either way. And I actually even made a video explaining how on average we're not even going to be holding, the average investor won't be even able to hold that much Bone, because there are, you know, it'll be so limited. And if you want to carry on using the Shibarium blockchain, you know, having quicker and more efficient transactions, on average, if there will be at least, you know, a million holders, which there will be for Bone, because a lot of projects will be going in, a lot of new investors will require Bone. Even the Shiba Inu people, they will realize that they need Bone. So overall, you know, it will just create this crazy demand, which will push the price up like no tomorrow. So it's just the principles of economics. So I guess, you know, in the short term, we could see it growing like no tomorrow, and that is something that is going to be happening now. You know, we've got Shibarium literally lined up to come out. The thing with Shiba Inu, it's going to be more of a long-term project because, you know, at the end of the day, there's too much of it in circulation. So the burning process still needs to be figured out. We don't know how it's going to work, how much of it can be burned, and if it even has any effect. And imagine if you need to burn 90-95% of the supply, you're going to have to be burning trillions of Shiba Inu every day. And if we can barely even burn a trillion Shiba Inu in a year, how are we going to be doing it in a day? So all these questions still need to be answered. A lot of developments need to come out to push it, you know, to these levels. So I imagine Bone now definitely will have the greater returns in the short term. But if everything works out for Shiba Inu, if it does work out, and if we see again, you know, a replication of 2021, and, you know, manages to burn all the zeros, guys, the returns could be much higher in the long term for Shiba Inu. I mean, we're talking, you know, 48 million% returns in 2021. That was crazy. So there's only so much Bone could go up to. But Shiba Inu, the fact that it has so many zeros, could fetch those returns, but that is in the long term. So in the short term, I think Bone definitely wins, and it will create higher returns. But still worth investing into both of them, because they both hold a great value and a very good, clear future. You know, unlike other tokens out there, this one generally has a vision and a future, and it will bring a lot of utility to the crypto space. So guys, if you have any thoughts in regards to which cryptocurrency could fetch greater returns in 2023, please let us know down below. Would be very interesting. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications bell, stay up to date. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.